In the stillness of the night, a gentle breeze carries whispers of the angels with ease, softly speaking, healing my soul. In their embrace I feel whole. Through the darkness a light appears, guiding me beyond my fears. Every word a soothing balm, calming my heart, bringing calm. In the quiet I hear their song, a melody where I belong. Their whispers, a gentle embrace, healing my heart with grace. Angels healing, whisper in the night, guides me to the morning light. In their words I find my peace. From their love my wounds cease. Angels healing, whisper in the night, guides me to the morning light. In their words I find my peace. From their love my worries cease. In the twilight they call to me, a symphony of serenity. Their voices a sacred prayer, lifting my spirit like as if. In the song I find a way through the night to a brighter day. Their whispers, a gentle embrace, healing my heart with grace. Angels healing, whisper in the night, guides me to the morning light. In their words I find my peace. From their love my worries cease. In the quiet hear their song, a melody where I belong. Their whispers, a gentle embrace, healing my heart with grace. In